how much intuition and experience plays a role in due diligence. And if investors have a set of formal trigger points that engages more formal due diligence, I think it plays a huge role. We're going to get to a tool you can use to look at 100 possible areas you could look into during due diligence. But somebody's gut feeling that something may not be 100% true or something feels off could lead to them doing due diligence earlier in the process before getting on an airplane, or could lead to them going very deep on something and really audit the number of employees they have or audit their track record. Many people will say in the investment industry, oh, we have this track record of 10 years or 15 years, or we have 80 years of experience on our team, et cetera. But a team may have never worked together before, even though they have that track record at other firms. Or what will happen is someone will say, oh, we've done 20 deals in this niche of stem cells. But then you find out, well, they were a passive LP investor in 14 of those deals. And 2 of the deals was a publicly traded company they just bought some shares of. And this other one, all they did was help with an introduction to the deal, and they didn't run the deal. So you have to be very clear with investors so they never felt like you misled them or that you used like puffery, et cetera. And with investors, I think to your point, Pat, it's like when they are afraid of those things, that's when they go deeper on the due diligence within that very specific area, or just don't talk to that firm anymore if things just seem off.